You started with a story that you thought was true, but you didn't see the cracks in the things you knew. Built your house on sand, didn't check the ground. Now everything's falling, but you can't hear the sound. You're caught up in the lies you tell, a circle where the echoes dwell. Or you're blind to the facts you see, but the truth is knocking, begging to be free. False premise, false narrative, chasing shadows, there's no way to live. You're running down a road that's built on lies, but the truth is waiting, open your eyes. False premise, false narrative, how can you take what you don't give? You can build your world, but it won't stand on broken dreams and sinking sand. You're clinging to the words that make you feel so right, but the cracks keep growing in the dark of night. Foundations built on fiction fall apart in time, yet you hold on tight, convinced that you're in line. You locked yourself in that echo room, ignoring all the signs of doom. Or you're deaf to the warning signs, but the truth will break through all your blinds. False premise, false narrative, chasing shadows, there's no way to live. You're running down a road that's built on lies, but the truth is waiting, open your eyes. False premise, false narrative, how can you take what you don't give? You can build your world, but it won't stand on broken dreams and sinking sand. Can't you see it's falling down? Every lie is breaking ground. The truth is waiting in the wings to tear apart your puppet strings. False premise, false narrative, chasing shadows, there's no way to live. You're running down a road that's built on lies, but the truth is waiting, open your eyes. False premise, false narrative, how can you take what you don't give? You can build your world, but it won't stand on broken dreams and sinking sand. False premise, false narrative, it's time to rise, it's time to forgive. You can find the truth that's in your hands, step away from those sinking sands.